Hi, I'm Dr. Mukesh Gupta from Lenest Malad. What are the top 10 tricks that you can do to overcome stress during pregnancy? Would you want to know? Well, let's discuss that. So, stress in pregnancy is definitely going to impact you, your baby, also your labor. We all know that in general, because of the hormonal changes, because of the environment around you, because of various different factors and bodily changes, a woman is definitely predisposed to the risk of having stress during pregnancy. So let's quickly run through the top 10 tips which can bring down the stress. First and foremost, accept it. Talk about it. If you accept that there is some kind of trouble that is disturbing you in your routine life, you will be able to talk about it and ask for help. If you do not accept it, no, I am fine, everybody else is not fine, people around are wrong, things are not correct, then how are you going to solve them? So that's the first golden tip. Second important tip that is important for you to understand is that learn to rest appropriately. Pregnancy is a time when you can't sleep properly, you can't lie down, your body is aching, every part of your body, whether it is your head or whether it is your leg or whether it is your toes, whether it is your back, whether it is your abdomen, everything is causing some of the other symptoms. Learn to rest and take appropriate sleep. Learn relaxation techniques, learn meditation techniques, take help from professionals who can guide you and help you. You can probably enroll for such kind of classes which can help you with that. That's the second golden tip. Third important tip is attend prenatal classes or go to people and meet people who are also sailing in the same boat. It's always better when you know that everybody else is also in the problem just like you. It also makes you feel nice. All right, these are the changes which everybody is going through. I'm not the only one who's suffering. Well, on a simple note, when there are many people around you and they come up with the ideas and tricks about what is helping them and what are the different tricks, you may come up with newer solutions and newer ideas which will help you to overcome your situation. And that's the reason I strongly recommend enroll for a prenatal class or an antenatal class or similar such things which will help you. Fourth important tip, eat well. Do not stay hungry, because the very fact that during pregnancy you have this nausea and discomfort and you don't feel like eating, it really impacts you, and lack of good nutrition and good nutrients also enhances the problems associated with stress during pregnancy. So you don't want to be unhealthy and you don't want your child to suffer because of your lack of appetite. Take care of your food habits and see to it that you have a healthy diet. Fifth important tip, exercise well. It is an extremely important thing that you take care of your body. So you feel nice when you indulge in these activities where you are exercising. Join some prenatal classes for exercise, join prenatal yoga. It has been proven beyond doubt that prenatal yoga helps you overcome your stress and anxiety in a very big way. More than anything else, take your partner along with you for the exercise session. There are these couple exercise sessions which are done nowadays, and this really helps you to overcome that stress, and it's also a good bonding time with your partner. That's another golden tip. Next important thing that you need to understand is prepare a proper birth plan. Sit with your partner, sit with your doctor, the two important people in your life, and plan your birth plan. Tell them what you like, what you don't, what you would like to have during the labor or what you would not, whether you're okay with epidural or not, whether you're okay with episiotomy or not. What are your thoughts about cesarean section? What are your thoughts about instrumental labor? What are your thoughts about companion during labor? What do you want to wear during labor? Discuss them and make yourself feel comfortable. You will feel very relieved that you have been able to manage it. So that's another very important tip that I want you to know. Seventh important tip that I would like to say is adjust to your environment, understand the thing around you, cope up with your family members. That includes your in-laws and your parents, okay, and also that nagging sister who is going to be telling you all the time, did you do this, do that. Please take care about how do you manage the human component of the people around you. But besides that, the other sources of stress are your workplace issues. Sort them out. Talk to the people around in the workplace. Remember, the law is totally in your favor, not just because you're a woman, but for pregnancy also. So you have lots of things in your favor which you can use if there is trouble in your workplace. Last but not the least is plan for your commuting. When you're planning for your commuting, because major source of anxiety, stress and irritability and anger is the commute to your workplace, and that has to be handled and tackled and planned appropriately. It takes away a lot of burden from your mind. Eighth important thing, is plan your finances. If you have taken care about what has to be happening and what has to be done, it helps you to take away a huge amount of burden and stress about unknown expenditure or unknown things happening during the pregnancy. And that also reminds me of telling you that please go talk to your hospital and the doctor and the accounts department that what is the kind of budget that you need to plan. Please talk to your insurers, talk to your HR who is dealing with your insurers, find out what what you are permitted to do and what not is covered under insurance. And lastly, do not forget one thing: baby is yours, doesn't belong to the insurance company. So don't bother what insurance pays or doesn't pay. Choose what is good for you and best for you and do what is best for you. Ninth tip: plan and enjoy your pregnancy. Pamper yourself, love yourself. How do you pamper yourself? Well, there are n number of ways. I know the first thing which comes to you when you talk about pampering is either going to a spa or going for shopping. Well, you can do that. There's no harm in doing that as long as your husband is not having a problem with the credit card bills. But more than anything else, indulge in activity which makes you happy. It may be indulging in some music, going to music concert, going to movies, your favorite, watch your favorite movies. There are so many movies relevant to the pregnancy and childbirth, and they are fun to watch. Have nice time with your friends. Call up your old time friends. Trust me, this is the best time to indulge in relationship enhancement with your old time friends who have gone through the labor and brain. And everybody loves to speak to a woman who is pregnant and give tips to them. Use this opportunity and you will really feel nice and relieved so that you will be a little less stressful. Last but not actually the least is the 10th tip. If you still feel that nothing else is working, go to your doctor. Tell him that you need help, and trust me, there are n number of ideas. It's not necessary that you will be put on medications for depression or something like that, but there are methods which can be labeled as, say for example, hypnobirthing or talk therapy or counseling, and n number of things that can be done even without antidepressant medications. And if it is needed, don't feel shy. Trust your doctor and take help, because if you do not overcome stress during pregnancy, it is going to impact not only you but also your baby, and not just for that moment but all through the life of your baby. So please take care and be happy. Thank you.